barely visible beneath the heavy layers of rust and the encroaching green moss, the iconic name endures.
Is the crane secure?
Affirmative. Clear to proceed.
Ready on the hoses.
Hundreds. A dramatic contrast was achieved by painting the upper decks a stark, bright white, setting them against the imposing.
The davits engage, slowly bringing the newly painted lifeboats into position along the boat deck.
The grand staircase, the heart of the Titanic, required meticulous attention. Here we see the rich...
Hold fast on that line.
Aye, easing the tension now.
She's nearly home.
The first-class dining saloon, where every detail was meticulously prepared for the evening's elaborate meal. With the flick of a switch, the Titanic illuminated the dark ocean,